GPT-4, the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence, starts now. OpenAI has finally unveiled GPT-4, a formidable new AI model with image and text understanding capabilities, marking the latest breakthrough in the company's journey to scale up its flagship generative pre-trained transformer model. Excitingly, GPT-4 is already available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers with a usage cap, while developers can join a waitlist for API access. As for its pricing, the cost is 3 cents per 1,000 prompt tokens, or approximately 750 words, and 6 cents per 1,000 completion tokens, which is also around 750 words. And as it turns out, GPT-4 is already being used by Microsoft to power its Bing Chat technology, as well as other large tech names, including Stripe, Duolingo, Morgan Stanley, and Khan Academy, powering a wide range of business and consumer applications. Additionally, in a significant enhancement over its GPT 3.5 predecessor, GPT-4 can process both image and text inputs and is able to generate text at a human-like level across a range of professional and academic benchmarks. For instance, it massively outperforms its predecessor, scoring in the top 10% on a simulated bar exam, which is the licensure test to become a lawyer, with GPT 3.5 only managing to score in the bottom 10%. Over a 6-month period, OpenAI meticulously refined GPT-4 based on findings from an internal adversarial testing program and ChatGPT, achieving unprecedented results in 40% higher rate of factuality, steerability, and adherence to guardrails, with GPT-4 being trained on publicly available data, such as public web pages and licensed data. This was made possible by the collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft to create a custom supercomputer in the Azure cloud, which was used to train GPT-4. What's incredible is that GPT-4's multimodal capabilities to understand text and image inputs enable the model to accomplish a range of new tasks across a jaw-dropping number of domains. For instance, due to its improved accuracy and understanding, GPT-4 can now write functional code for applications like Discord bots, while simultaneously identifying and resolving error codes along the way. In another impressive example, GPT-4 can even convert hand-drawn sketches of a website layout into a functional site, complete with working HTML and JavaScript. In addition to these technical feats, GPT-4 can even tackle complex mathematical tasks that include reasoning, like deciphering intricate tax codes and performing complicated calculations. With its almost infinite creativity, GPT-4 is an invaluable tool that is now capable of providing innovative solutions that are pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. When compared to GPT 3.5, its incredible level of performance becomes extremely obvious when tasks increase in complexity, with GPT-4 displaying greater reliability, creativity, and adaptability to nuanced instructions, as well as its ability to handle 25,000 characters as input, whereas GPT-3 only took 3,000. Furthermore, GPT-4's ability to understand images in addition to text is a breakthrough feature that will forever change the lives of visually impaired individuals. For instance, GPT-4 can not only caption complex images but also identify specific items, such as a lightning cable adapter from a photo of a connected iPhone. This image understanding capability is currently being tested with a single partner called Be My Eyes through their new virtual volunteer feature to assist the blind. But other applications are potentially limitless, such as in the areas of accessibility services, social media content moderation, creative design applications, and much more. But that's not all, because another notable leap forward is the model's steerability, with OpenAI introducing system messages as a new API capability to allow developers to give specific instructions on style and task. These system messages set the tone and establish boundaries for AI interactions and will be introduced to ChatGPT in the future. This opens up a wealth of new opportunities for developers to create highly customized artificial intelligence-driven applications, allowing them to tailor the model's interactions and responses to specific use cases, leading to more efficient and user-friendly AI solutions across a range of sectors. Despite these advancements, OpenAI acknowledges that GPT-4 still has imperfections, such as hallucinating facts or making reasoning errors with high confidence. The AI model may also lack knowledge of events occurring after the majority of its data cuts off in September 2021, resulting in simple errors. However, the company has highlighted massive improvements in several key areas, such as GPT-4 being less likely to respond to dangerous requests. In fact, it's 82% less likely to generate disallowed content compared to ChatGPT and adheres to safety policies 29% more often regarding sensitive requests, like medical advice and violence, meaning that jailbreaking it won't be easy. Finally, it's noted that as time goes on, the model will continue to improve, meaning that users will enjoy increasing functionality, like gaining access to the soon-to-be-released image input feature, as well as increased accuracy and speed. Despite the progress made with GPT-4, OpenAI remains vigilant about the potential drawbacks and challenges posed by AI technology. The company is committed to mitigating risks and maintaining a responsible approach to AI development, as evidenced by its ongoing efforts to involve the public in the decision-making process and the emphasis on transparency. But what about GPT-5, the next iteration of OpenAI's groundbreaking model, which could possess a host of new and advanced abilities that further revolutionize the field of artificial intelligence? Building upon GPT-4's text and image understanding capabilities, GPT-5 could potentially understand and process multimedia content, such as video and audio, enabling it to analyze and generate contextually accurate transcriptions, translations, and even video summaries. One can envision GPT-5 developing an advanced level of context awareness, which would allow it to engage in more natural, intuitive, and meaningful conversations, while continuously learning from its interactions. This would enable GPT-5 to adapt and evolve, providing even more personalized and effective responses. GPT-5 could also enhance its problem-solving capabilities, addressing complex challenges across a wide range of domains, such as medical diagnostics, scientific research, and policy analysis. By integrating vast amounts of domain-specific knowledge and reasoning abilities, GPT-5 could assist experts in making more informed decisions and accelerate the discovery of new insights. Furthermore, GPT-5 might possess the ability to collaborate with other AI models, combining their unique strengths to create a synergistic effect, resulting in more sophisticated and efficient solutions. As the potential capabilities of GPT-5 unfold, we can only imagine its far-reaching impact on society and the future of artificial intelligence. So this brings us to our last question. Could GPT-4 qualify as an artificial general intelligence? Well, this depends on which definition of AGI you're using. According to the requirement of the Turing test, some people could argue that the model already qualifies as AGI. In summary, the Turing test requires GPT-4 to answer questions meaningfully enough to trick you into believe they're talking to another human. To truly answer this question, you probably have to ask yourself, could GPT-4 fool you into thinking it was a human when reading its answers to your questions?